Hello and thank you for watching today's unboxing video. Today we're going to be unboxing the VivaLift Atlas. It's known as the PLR-985 and it's made by Pride Mobility. All you need to do to get started is open the top of the box carefully. We don't recommend cutting too deep if you have a knife because you can damage the seat. This chair has a 22-inch wide seat, it's 21 inches deep, and it has a 400-pound maximum weight capacity. When you open the box, you're going to notice a packet at the very top with the user manual and some other information which you'll want to keep handy and read through entirely. When you open up the box, do not discard the box for the first 5 days, as you'll want to make sure it's working right. Just in case you need to return it, you'll need all of the packaging in the box. Once you have the box open, you can go ahead and remove the styrofoam sheeting to identify where the bottom of the chair is and where the back of the chair is. The back of the chair comes right out. You just need to lift it up from each side as shown here, and it is wrapped up in some styrofoam sheeting for protectant. You can remove the top of the chair and put it off to the side so that you can get ready to take the bottom part out of the chair out of the box. The bottom half of the chair is heavier, and you're going to want to flip the box so that the chair is actually sitting on its legs. So you'll need to remove all of the components. You have the side pieces there that are tucked in towards the bottom. Those are the side pieces. We'll show you how those get installed shortly. But once you've identified which way the chair is positioned in the box, you'll want to go ahead and locate the feet of the chair. You can see the feet there along the railing, which is the bottom part of the frame there that rests on the floor. And what we're going to do now is tilt the box forward so that the chair is actually sitting on its legs while in the box. This will be the easiest way to get it out of the box without any assistance. If you have more than one person, you could probably get it out in a different way, but for this video demonstration, we're going to show you that you can take it out of the box one person. All you need to do is kind of put your foot on the corner of the box and just shimmy it on out of the box little by little, wiggle it out by keeping one foot on the bottom of the box there on the floor. It prevents the box from sliding out with the bottom of the chair. It does take a little bit of effort if you only have one person to help you, but the important thing is just to get the chair out of the box while preventing as much damage to the box as possible. Now that we have the chair out of the box, we're going to make a little room and show you how to assemble the chair. There are a total of 4 main pieces, not including the hand controller. The back of the chair is one of the main pieces. To connect it, what we like to do is basically position it as if though it's going to be on the chair, but just lay it flat, folded forward, so that you can start to visualize and see the connections. There are 2 different harnesses here on the top part of the chair, and that's going to control the headrest and lumbar support. So you'll want to go ahead and pull the other ends of those matching colored harnesses. You have a yellow male and female connection. The female part is connected to the base of the chair, and the male connector's connected to the top part, the back of the chair. There's one extra connector, it's a black one, that's for the remote control, and you'll have to take the hardware bag out. It's attached to the bottom of the chair, zip tied to the frame with 2 zip ties. You'll want to grab a pair of wire cutters or something to just clip those 2 zip ties, and that's going to release the hardware bag where you're going to find the battery backup, the remote control, and we're going to show you now what that looks like. So here's the remote control, which has the black harness, which is going to connect to that 3rd harness that's coming out of the base of the chair there. There's no wrong way to do it. Just plug it in and put the clip down to secure it. The remote control, you'll want to go ahead and slide through the middle, right underneath the back of the chair, and rest the remote control on the seat. And that'll be the best way to prevent it getting pinched on the left and right side. The battery backup is attached to a little transformer. You can get a replacement battery. Do not use the battery backup as a main power supply. It's only meant to be used to get you out of the chair in the event that there's a power outage. There's no wrong way to connect the transformer. Just find that cable attached to the frame and plug it into the receiving harness connector as shown. Now we're going to go ahead and attach the backrest to the base of the chair. There are 2 arms on the left and right side and 2 sleeves on the back of the chair. Those little sleeves need to connect to the arms located on the base. So start with one. We're doing the right side first. We get the rail into the sleeve, and just make sure it's kind of in there. You don't need to push it down just yet. Once the right side's in, we get the left side in. And before pushing down, we just make sure that it's all lined up properly, and you'll hear a click when it's secure. Just like that. Once it clicks, it's in. But to double check, you can pull upwards to make sure that it doesn't come out. That's going to confirm that it's clicked in on both sides and installed correctly. After this, you can just find the flap on the back. It does have double-sided Velcro, which is just basically used to cover up all the wire harnesses and the back part of the chair where you can gain access to do the assembly. Now all we have really left to do is attach the side pieces here. There are 2 of them, and they're very easy to install. They are numbered, number 1 and 2, and if you look on the right side of the chair, you'll find the matching sleeve that basically it's a rail system. You have to start from the top and slide your way down. Just make sure that they're lined up, and it's a very, very easy way to install these things. You just push firmly and slide down. Now the other side is going to have the matching label number 2, and this will be on the left side. So you can see there, you just slide it over from the top down, and those rails will grab onto the other side that's located on the back of the chair. And it might take 1 or 2 tries, but you'll feel it once you get it in there. It won't go anywhere, and that is how you'll confirm that it's connected. The next thing we'll want to do is grab the power supply and connect it to the wall, and at this point we should have power to go ahead and demo the chair. On the remote control, you're going to notice that there's a little red sticker that says USB. You may not know this, but these chairs actually come with a USB charging port on the remote, and that's used to charge your USB powered devices. The remote control is very robust. You have an individual control for the headrest to go forward and backwards. You have another independent button set to go up and down on the leg rests independently. So you can really just dial in that perfect comfort zone, whatever it is. It could be with the back straight up and the legs out, or the back slightly adjusted with the legs all the way in. You have plenty of options here, as you can see, and this is something that you can control with many different comfort points, and that's what these chairs are all about. They're supposed to provide you with ultimate comfort so that you can either enjoy just a few hours or, if you'd like, fall asleep in this chair. Now, one of the main benefits of this chair is the ability for it to lift you out of the chair. As you can see here, I'm holding the main up button. There are 2 main large buttons, an up and a down button. Those are going to be used to basically just get you in and out of the chair. So as you can see here, with the chair all the way lifted, I don't really have to squat too much to sit in the chair, which is nice because I do have a bad knee, and having to squat down sometimes creates a little discomfort in the knee. But when the chair is fully lifted, I barely have to squat, barely have to put any strain on my knee or leg muscles to do so, and it allows me to basically get in that chair comfortably. Once you're in, again, you can control the leg rests independently. You can find that comfort zone that works best for you. And then when you're ready to exit the chair, you hold that main up button, and it's going to lift you straight out. All in all, we think this is one of the most comfortable chairs that we have to offer. It comes with 2 armrests that have cup holders built into them. You can slide them out. We offer this chair tax-free. Shipping is free. You can find it on our website with a lot more information. If you like this video, please subscribe so you can get notified when we release new ones just like it. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.